India moving towards becoming a high-tech manufacturing economy. Yes, you heard it right. This city project is one of the projects which will make you believe it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Seed Search Classes. Today in this video we are going to discuss about an ambitious smart city project that will fasten India's speed in the run for becoming a global superpower. Before discussing in brief about this project, let us understand a few contexts related to it. Do you know where is Dholera located? Why it is selected for the huge smart city project? And why we people are mentioning the Shanghai city of China's name with it? Dholera is a village in Ahmedabad district of Gujarat state in India. An ancient port city in the Gulf of Khambat, which is 30 kilometers from Dhanduka village of Ahmedabad district. And this ancient port is now becoming the biggest hotspot investment site and the greenfield project in Asia. One reason is its strategic location on the banks of the Sabarmati river and is well connected to major cities such as Ahmedabad and Surat. Another reason is its already strong base of industries such as textiles, engineering and chemicals. Due to its proximity to major transport corridors and ports, it has become an exciting location for businesses and industries, which is expected to drive economic growth and enlargement in the region. Shanghai is an urban area in China with the highest GDP compared to any Chinese city and half of its economy. This city has boomed in the last 2 decades with constant rate of growth and have boosted significantly in finance, trade and shipping industries. It is believed that India's Dholera will be a benchmark for the world's futuristic industrial cities, and thus people refer one with the other. Let us roll on to understand various facts and factors related to the Dholera SIR. The objective of this smart city project is to build an inclusive and sustainable city with a focus on people, their jobs and their livelihoods and an environment for the generations to come. It will be the first fully integrated urban area in the world to be built from scratch. The plan includes 2 parts, an industrial area and an urban area. The project completion time is 15 years and it has 6 stages. Out of that, the first stage is already completed, which was primarily about improving infrastructure and the economy. The second phase that focuses on how society grows is in progress. As of 2025, it is supposed to start functioning with development activities at its maximum potential. Now you ask me why Dholera is important. Its importance of Dholera SIR is because it's going to be a support hub to Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, which is 1535 km long route and a major route which passes through Gujarat. On the other side, because of the great opportunity at Dholera, it's eco-friendly, easily accessible and a destination with world-class ICT, ready infrastructure and its promising high-value returns on investment. It has already attracted large MNC companies and brought large amount of investors on table. Proudly we share the news that India's first private sector aircraft manufacturing facility under the companies Airbus and Tata Advanced Systems Limited and its associated industrial ecosystem are likely to be located at the Dholera Special Investment Region in Gujarat. This flagship initiative of the Indian government is set to transform this small town into a global place for innovation and entrepreneurship. The future is bright for Dholera and the city is poised to create thousands of jobs and is set to bring in billions of dollars in investment. This project is a true testament to India's visionary approach to phenomenal evolution. Thanks for being with us till the end of this video. I hope you liked our video and you will proudly share and subscribe to our channel. And till our next video, please stay fit, eat healthy and we meet very soon. Thank you. Jai Hind.